In this video, I'll show you how to move a personal form into a group in Microsoft Forms so you can collaborate with others easily. This is useful when you want multiple people to manage or view responses together. Let's start step by step. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the Microsoft 365 website at Microsoft.com. This service gives you access to online Office applications and is the starting point for this process. Once the page loads, make sure everything is ready by checking for any on-screen prompts or notifications. Next, find and click the Sign In button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Signing in allows you to view your personal settings and saved forms, which is necessary before transferring any form. After signing in, go to the Microsoft Forms homepage. You can reach it through the Microsoft website or by searching for Microsoft Forms. This homepage is where all your created forms are stored. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout, as it is designed to be simple and easy to use. Now, locate the form you want to move into a group. Make sure you select the correct form to avoid transferring the wrong one. Choosing carefully helps keep your work organized. Once the form is selected, look for the Share option. This allows you to manage who can access and edit your form. Click on Share to open the collaboration settings. From the sharing options, choose Add Collaborators. This allows others to edit the form, share it, and view the results. This step is important for enabling teamwork. After selecting Add Collaborators, a link sharing window will appear. Click on the option labeled Share the link to collaborate and view results. This creates a special link that allows group members to access and work on the form together. Next, copy the link that is generated. This link is required to complete the process of moving your personal form to a group. Make sure the link is copied correctly so it can be pasted in the correct location later. By completing these steps, your personal form is now ready to be used in a group environment. Each step, from signing in to copying the collaboration link, ensures that your form can be shared securely and efficiently while keeping the correct permissions. You've now successfully moved your personal form to a group in Microsoft Forms and unlocked better collaboration. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.